Okay guys, Pool House Renovation. We're sitting about 90% complete on it. Looking at it from the front, this was a detached garage. So there used to be a roll-up garage door here. We framed all of that in, put these windows in, bricked out the front with some of the original brick that we were able to save off of the building. And then we tore out a part of this driveway. Originally, they were having a lot of flooding going straight into the garage, so we took that out, put this trench drain in, and now we've allowed this water to flow from left to right all the way out of the building and take the water flow around the side. So let's take a look next on the interior and show you what's going on in there. Okay, so coming in through this little front door entry here, this was an original door to the garage. We kept it in place, and so this will be the come and go for the homeowner. As you can see, we've got these beautiful cabinets here. Chris Sanchez built these for us. We appreciate him and his time and effort. We don't have the hardware on yet, but that will be coming in a few days. Everything is on soft closers. I like to do the inside of the cabinets with a lacquered finish. Looks really good and definitely holds up better than paint on the inside of cabinets. I think Double J Supply helped us with all of our fixtures, sinks. Red River Lumber Company supplied all these quartz countertops. These look beautiful. One thing that's missing is this tile backsplash, and we're waiting on a few pieces of material to come in on that, but that will be done by the carpet shop. They did the floor in here and it looks absolutely amazing. So for a small building, this is a great use, a multi-use area. So you can have a kitchen, you'll have a washer and dryer, you've got this great pantry storage area for either canned goods or miscellaneous things, you know, games and stuff that can all go in here. Everything is on an adjustable shelving unit, soft closers. Walking out of this space into the back, this was a new addition, and it's got a great view looking over this little pond behind it. In here, we decided to vault the ceiling, which gives us a whole lot more height to work with, and so this will be the bedroom or game room area that the homeowner may choose to use for that. You've got a cool bench sitting inside this little bay window area. Great view once again. Love the way this looks. And so next we're going to take you around the corner, show you a closet and a master bath. Okay, so taking a look at this walk-in closet, I'm going to let Mason walk in here and take a look at, at this area. This is a good setup for the homeowner. They've got hanging space, they've got adjustable shoe racks. She had bought this modular unit here, and so Chris has built it into the whole scheme of things. And so obviously there's some painting that's got to be done. We're going to have Gary out here, Gary Williams, soon to get that done. Next, we're going to walk into this master. We've got the same paint scheme that happens in here too. So she's got a seating area, she's got a vanity, really cool lighted mirror that has anti-fog on the back of it. And we've got one more mirror that's going to go on this wall to the right. A full garden tub, toilet. Then you've got this really cool vanity here built in beside the toilet. You've got an awesome walk-in tile shower sitting here behind us, and we're waiting on a few little parts and pieces to come in to finish that up, but we are super close. We'll get you guys some final pictures and videos of this project. Hope y'all enjoy looking at this stuff. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.